Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WordPress.com login problems, account and Jetpack errors step by step clearly. If you're having trouble logging into your WordPress.com account, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure you are using the correct email address associated with your account. Double-check your password for any typos or errors. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Lost Your Password link on the login page. Enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox, including the spam or junk folders, for the password reset message. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. If you're still facing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Close the browser, then reopen it and attempt to log in again. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. If you're experiencing Jetpack-related errors, make sure Jetpack is properly connected to your WordPress.com account. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Jetpack settings. Disconnect and then reconnect your Jetpack account to reset the connection. If the problem continues, visit the Jetpack support page for specific troubleshooting guides. You can also check the status of WordPress.com services for any ongoing issues that might be affecting logins. If none of these steps resolve your issue, consider reaching out to WordPress.com support for personalized assistance. Document any error messages you receive, as this information can help in resolving the problem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.